Welcome to a new video on my Arduino Yun, which is an Arduino with partly Linux and in this version obsolete. Programmed in AVRC, controlling electronics and some fischertechnik mechatronics. Purpose to use some settings of electronics. Voltmeters here and here, and some buttons here, here and here, to do the data acquisition, store it on a USB stick, then copy it to laptop and display the data in graphs using Octave. And piece by piece I managed to do that, and last time I wanted to make it automated, having things copied to the laptop automatically. That's what automation is. However, it turned out that the mechanism to do that from AVRC needs two things. First of all, a key generator, or at least you need a key to be generated, and then you need the copy action. The copy action isn't that hard, just SCP, secure copy, but each time you do that, you have to fill in the password, and that's what you don't want to do, because if you have to give a password each time, then it's not automated. And that's what the trick is. I found out last time that when the Arduino Yun is acting as a server, key generation is not possible. Simply because it is a system that is too simple. Although it has a very nice interface, I found that it is not going to work out. For a very simple fact. When you use a standard Linux system, it has the SSH keygen command. And on Arduino Yun, there's no such thing. End of story. What I did find, to my surprise, was that apart from this wired, there's also still wireless active. So that is what I'm trying to do now. How can I do it wired or wireless? To do that, I will try to use one of my tablets. I still have to generate everything, and well, where are tools when you need one? Always the case. And that one is a little bit too well, too big. This one is too small, although it kind of works. But I also need, and that's another thing that I wanted to look into, my console. As you know, I have to open a console to and give some input to do things, but that console is somehow void. So now, after all this introduction, let's get to the screencast and see whatever I can do. Too much talking. Alright, so screencast after a lengthy introduction. First of all, I have to log in into the root of the Arduino Yun, because it doesn't know anything else. So That's one thing. Then what I need to do is set the date. I can use the graphical interface, but this goes nice as well. February, and it is the 12th, and it is 09:59. Yes, that's good. Then it has, of course, its data log file, and I should say ls-l to get the date, and that is 5th February, which is last week, which is correct. I am not going to go in here. Well, I can, of course. Well, let's just do it. And send password applies. Yeah. And then usually when I go now to Code, it says alright, upload, and then it breaks. This breaks, and last time that didn't happen. So I removed last time everything that has to do with the copying of the stuff, but let's upload anyway. And then where? Really? Where? Eight 27. What is this? A1 not declared. Oh wait, yeah, right. Before doing anything else, I need to select the proper port, the proper board and the proper port. Now I will do it. Now things will go good. Okay, go. Yeah. This is a mistake I rarely make, but it sometimes happens anyway. And now, why is this? Yes, this is what should happen. This is what should happen. Okay, things back to normal, kind of. So it still doesn't explain why it didn't happen last time, but back to normal now. And that has of course to do with this part. It uploads, breaks connection from here. And then I should be able to, yes, and I'm good to go. Alright, now list, yes, and it has today's date. I should remove it, but to give it today's data only, but so be it. Alright, that has been resolved. Next, something that I was talking about. Okay, what I wanted to do was pay some attention to this circuit and this circuit, being both RC circuits. But I also want to do with that wireless stuff. Oh, and look at this. Very nice indeed. And now I need a nice tool to press the button without ruining things. Ah, look at the oscilloscope. Don't you love it? And I see, by the way, that it is on screen different than with the bare eye. Ah, wait. Is this better? No, oh wait, I need to change something. Pulse, yes, but no. Pulse it will have to be, but source is channel 4. And because this is the fourth probe. So now this is what you want to see. Yes. And what about the other probe? Just on and off. 3.3 volts. Yes. But this is what you want to see. Nice. Okay, then on to the other stuff. This. No, that's not good. Yes. Alright, so last time I found out that wireless on the Yun was still active. A very old thing by now. So now let's take a look here at my old tablet, and this network is open. No, not that one, this one. Connecting it, it's the HCP apparently. And the question is it actually getting an IP address? Edit. Wireless network is enabled. It is an access point. And I can put things in here, but it is an access point. So why does it get an IP address if it is just an access point? Wireless security, no encryption. MAC filter, also nothing. Disable. Advanced settings. Yeah, I'm in the Netherlands, I know that. Question is, how DHCP and DNS. And it disregards it. can't get an IP. So with that respect, I don't think I can use it as such. It is Internet of Things, still is, because that was propagated, and that is what I used an Arduino Yun in the very beginning. Go. But if I look right here, it says you can't access it, even when editing. Why can't I then disable the DHCP? There's nothing active. The DHCP is not active, and you can see that right here. I know it's pretty dark, but it says cannot get IP address, and this Linino, that is my Arduino Yun right here, wireless. But when I use this one, which is my own network, I have assigned to it my own network address. So why can I not do that here? I have spent a lot of time configuring the Arduino Yun prior to all my other experiences and experiments, and I think this is one of the reasons that it got obsolete. Not that much information available. Look at the static routes. This is my own DNS hostname. Nothing. Wi-Fi again. So yeah, the only thing I can do is scratch it. Disregard, do not use, end of story. And for this use, it's a no-go. So that's it. Alright, now to finish things up a bit, I have removed the data log tags, then gave the potmeter some different settings, and it would be nice to see the oscilloscope as well. So then that is what you get, and here as well. Then also having this go pulse modulation, which is now a very different form. Let me adjust this a bit. And does this change? If I change this, does it change? Yes, very much. So I turn this down. Turn it up again. And that is the difference between one and the other. So this voltmeter directly influences this signal. And this is not being influenced, being just that signal. I just don't see this light up, but that's no problem, not really. Anyway, with this I can copy myself again some nice results. And the point is, this is from last time. So I have to close these figures and open a new window, copy, secure copy of course, and then mount data log.txt right here, and there we go. Password, and now using Octave produce the graph, and here quit. Now all the others come. And now I do not have any empty graphs anymore, or so I should have. Yeah. Oh wait, here is one that is, it is not empty, but it is very just like this, because you see here a blue line and the blue line. So it's not empty at all. That's what the nice thing is. As it should be. And this is something that I ignore for now. So that's one thing. Last thing to do is from here, and let's open, let's forget all this. Because it is Linux. It's all Linux. And okay, remove this one. Enter. I don't mind. But the big question now is, can I do more with this Linux? So that is what I will do in the remaining time. Alright, now I already mentioned that this Arduino Yun is obsolete, this version. But does it mean that it doesn't have to work? Let's first ping my server, which is nice. Let's then ping that is a problem. That is a problem, which means that I probably cannot download anything either. If I do not have the capability to ping outside, I have a problem. But This says master and this says whichever, part of zone 1, wide area network, internet. And this is, yeah, and this is still the very weird thing. So I am connecting using 135, while this is 137. So can I still do something with that from my laptop? It's not doing a thing, not pinging, not answering back. So I can only use this one. Okay. Now let's say OPKG update. Failed to download. Remove signature file. Okay. And these are available packages. A lot of them. Including Python. If I install, I can now program in Python. So Python is installed. It is 273 version. What else? Lucy is the graphical interface. This is Lucy. And you can install much more of Lucy. Kmod, kernel stuff. A lot of kernel stuff. But can you install stuff? That is the big question now. What can I do to do that? Is this installed? It is installed. So there are a lot of things installed, but what I want to do is check if I can indeed contact the outer world. And on my provider, no. Okay, I can't get outside. So that means there are a lot of packages, they are installed. And I know, I said it before, I've been struggling with this since I received it. So let it be. End of story. I think that sums everything up. I don't even know if there's a new Arduino Yun available, but I'll let it be. Be nice. It's been fun. Yes. And that's it. I think I've covered most of the Arduino Yun capabilities. Controlling mechatronics, acquiring data, using storage, and and using offsite Octave to display all data in a graph. So thanks for watching these videos. If you like them, please subscribe to my channel and give the videos a thumbs up. You can also please leave a comment or suggestion, still welcome. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please donate to keep videos like this coming to you. You can donate via PayPal and Wired. More information on my website. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Your name may be mentioned on my website, but depending on the pledge also with my videos. All information like my video under this video, URL of my website. And whether this is going to be continued, I don't know. But new ideas can always be practiced. So for now, thanks for watching, have a nice day, and bye bye.